How to get cash advance from TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss on how to get a cash advance from TurboTax. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to myturbotax.intuit.com and log into your account. Ensure that your expected federal refund is over $500, and when you're ready to file your federal return, select Refund Advance as your refund option. Next, make sure that you have a checking account with Credit Karma Money, or you can open one instantly. After you finish filing, wait for the IRS to approve your application, and once the IRS accepts your refund advance, you will receive the money in your Credit Karma Money and spend checking account within the 5 minutes of approval. You can access it immediately using your virtual debit card, or you can wait for your physical card, which will arrive in the mail within 7 to 14 days. And that's how you can get cash advances from TurboTax. It's that simple. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.